What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another Savoy cocktail special, as is Easter Monday now, the last of the cocktail specials for Easter. So this is a little one, it's nice and quick, and it's simple but effective. It is the Zaza cocktail, so it's a 2-ingredient special list. So it's nice and easy to make. So it says in the book it's a half a measurement of Dubonnet and half a measurement of dry gin, which is equal in the terminology of the Savoy cocktail book. That is, so half is 30ml or 1 ounce of each. So it's an easy one to make. So get your cocktail shaker and put in some ice cubes. So get your jigger, and what we're going to do now is add the ingredients. So the first one into the tin is 30ml or 1 ounce of dry gin. Next one, 30ml or 1 ounce of Dubonnet. So I've never had it, so like an Aperitif, it's a herbal flavour. So put your lid on and give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. So get your cocktail glass, a small one, I must add, and strain into it. And there we go, one Zaza cocktail. Happy Easter everyone, hope you've all had an awesome bank holiday 4-day weekend. I certainly have on this channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of these cocktails over Easter, because they are a delight to make. And this is a Zaza cocktail. How does it taste? Oh, very dark, and it's very, very bitter. Because 2-ingredient, get straight to the point like that. It's got to say, no messing about, straight into it. You can certainly taste the herbal flavours coming from the Dubonnet mixed in with the gin, so it has that bitter taste. It's both quite bitter spirit, both on the sour side of the spirits. I like it more than what I should. I didn't think I'd like this cocktail too much, but I do. But if you like your bitter ones or more the sour ones, this is the cocktail for you, the Zaza cocktail. No mess about, straight into it. So that, guys, is a Zaza cocktail. What do you think of this cocktail? Have you ever made it from the Savoy Cocktail Book from the author Harry Craddock the Head, bartender in 1930? As it's another classic. I think this is the first time we've had a cocktail that actually begins with Z, so it's new for the channel. But that, guys, is a Zaza cocktail. Hope you had an awesome Easter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It, as we are on the road to 2K, as we're now as we're just over 100 subscribers to get to that goal. So we're approaching now 1.9k subscribers. So you guys are absolutely awesome. I do thank you all for support, and I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers.